Hello students, welcome to standard 11th and subject mathematics, chapter 1 sets. This is lecture number 10. In this lecture we will continue the last lecture point, that was practical problems. We are seeing some examples related to practical problems. Here also we are continuing the same. So it is continuing. Example 24 is now in practical problems related to union and intersections operations. So in a school, there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Of these 20 teachers, 12 teach mathematics, 12 teachers teaching mathematics, and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. 4 teachers teach both the subjects, physics and mathematics. How many teach physics? How many teachers are teaching physics? That we are going to find out here. So it's so simple. In solution, we give the notations first. Let M denotes the set of teachers teach maths or mathematics, and P denotes, letter P denotes the set of teachers teach physics. So as this 20 shows mathematics or physics will be in notations M union P, and their number is 20. So N of M union P means number of teachers who are teaching maths or physics are 20. It is given that way. By symbolical way we are writing the data. NM shows the number of teachers teaching maths. The number of teachers teaching maths are 12. M intersection P shows the number of teachers teaching both maths and physics. Maths and physics both teaching, 4 teachers are there, so 4. And how many teachers physics? That is NP shows the number of teachers teaching physics. That is the question here, and we want to find out this NP. So using the formula that we have seen and we have derived in the last lecture is NA union B equals to NA plus NB minus N intersection B. So M union B equals to NM plus NP minus M intersection B. This formula we can use. In this we want NP, so NP will be here only. This minus M intersection B and plus NM I have to take on the left side. So NP one side I have done here, one side taken, and this M union P as it is, minus NM intersection P is taken on the left, so this plus, and this plus and NM is taken on the left is minus N. So this is the mathematical operation, simple, you know. If you take NP one side here and all the times the left side, you can write the right side on the left and the left side on the right. So it will show this way, the simplification of this. Now put all the values, and M union P is 20 plus, and M intersection P is 4 minus NM is 12. 20 plus 4, 24, and minus 12 is 12. So this is 12 shows NP, and NP shows the number of teachers teaching physics. So hence we can say 12 teachers teach physics. That was the question and answer. Very simply we can give this way the answer. Give you the notations. Similarly, next example we have 25. In a class of 35 students, total 35 students in a class, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also, each students like to play at least one of the 2 games. Means no students is there who is not playing any game. At least one game each of the students is playing. Means no one is there who is not playing both the games. Any one game each of the students is playing. So how many students like to play both cricket and football? That we want to find out. So very simple and very similar we will go. In solution, let x equals to, we suppose x equals to the set of students like to play cricket, and y equals to the set of students like to play football. So this number 35 is playing either cricket or football. So n x union Union Y shows 35 because each of the students playing at least one game. So in 35, either they are playing football or they are playing cricket. So either or, that means X Union Y is given 35. 24 like to play cricket. For cricket X, so NX equals to 24, and Y is football playing students, so football playing students are 16, so NY equals to 16. We want the students playing both the games, so that means X intersection Y, that is the students playing cricket as well as football. That number we want to find out, so it is the question mark, and X intersection Y we want that. Using the formula again, the same formula, and X union Y equals to, you know, NX plus NY minus N intersection X intersection Y. So if we take this minus N X intersection Y on the right side, it will be plus, and this NX plus NY on the right as it is, and this left value and X union Y is taken on the right, so it is minus X union Y. Again, simple operations, plus minus operations we have done. Now put all the values. NX is 24 plus NY is 16 minus N X union Y is 35. 24 and 16, 40 minus 35 is 5. So this 5 shows X intersection Y, and X intersection Y shows the students playing both cricket as well as football. So hence 5 students like to play both cricket and football. Next example, 26. In a survey of 400 students in a school, on 400 students of the school they are surveyed, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. In the 400 students, 100 students taking apple juice, 150 as taking orange juice, 150 students taking orange juice, and 75 as taking both apple juice as well as orange juice both. 75 students are taking apple and orange both the juice. How many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? That we have to find out. We have to find out the number of students who are not taking apple juice or not taking orange juice. So in solution, let here the universal set U also we have to denote because all 400 students were surveyed. So that U equals to the set of surveyed students, means all the students comes in that is the universal set U. Let A equals to the students taking apple juice, that is the students taking apple juice, and O equals to the students taking orange juice, that we have taken. Symbolical notations we have assumed. So this total 400 students were surveyed, so that becomes the universal set. That is NU equals to 400, means total number of students surveyed are 400, and U shows number of students surveyed. NA means number of students taking apple juice are 100, so 100 NA. NO shows the number of students taking orange juice, that is 150. And A intersection O shows both the juices they are taking. The number of students taking apple juice as well as orange juice is 75 given, so that's 75. Here we want to find out neither the students taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. So it means E shows the set of students taking apple juice. A shows the set of students taking apple juice. So as we have seen the complement of set, if A shows the set of students taking apple juice, so the set of students who are not taking apple juice will be A dash, and if the O shows the set of students taking orange juice is O, so the set of students not taking orange juice will be O dash. So basically what you want to find out here ultimately, that you want to find out neither taking apple juice means A dash and nor orange juice means O dash. A dash and O dash you want here. The question is about A dash and O dash you want to find out. So that's why we have to use the De Morgan's law, which shows the complement of set property. We need N A dash intersection O dash. It shows that A dash shows neither taking apple juice, O dash shows not taking orange juice. Intersection means both they are not taking apple juice or orange juice, they are not taking. This number we want, and A dash intersection O dash, And by De Morgan's law, you know that an A dash intersection O dash can be written as N. The intersection becomes union and the separate dash becomes the whole dash. This is the De Morgan's law. A dash intersection O dash equals to A union O whole dash. So N A union whole dash. Now whole dash can be again we have written here. Therefore N A dash intersection O dash equals to N A union O whole dash. Its simplification will be from universals at NU. It is, you know, the whole dash is the complement of A union O. The set of complement of A union O means the element from U but not from A union U or A union O. So from NU we have to remove N of A union O. This is by the formula. Whole dash can be replaced by union minus the set. So NU minus N A union O. So NU as it is minus NU. A union O is again by the formula, that is A union B. Here we have used, here we have used. That is only for N A union O we can write NA plus NO minus NA intersection O. That we have replaced now. Now place all the values. NU is 400 minus NA is 100 plus NO is 150 minus NA intersection O is 75 in the bracket. So 400 as it is, the bracket solution is 100 plus 150, 250, and 250 minus 75 is 175. This is the bracket answer. And 400 minus 175 is 225. So this 225 shows an A dash intersection O dash, and A dash intersection O dash shows not taking apple juice and not taking orange juice. That is in statement form, neither apple juice nor orange juice taking students. So hence 225 students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. This way we have to understand the question and we have to use the formulas we have derived in the last lecture, and we can get the answer. Now this type of questions you will find in exercise 1.6. So this is your homework to solve exercise 1.6. Some more examples we will see in the next lecture, and then miscellaneous examples we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.